Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Flighty app not working. So let's get started. So to fix that, you can see here the Flighty app. Okay. So here we can see the Flighty app. Okay. So to fix it, you will just open it, and then you have to press and hold it here. Just click on the side button, and then you have to scroll down. Just click on the storage. Just clear data. Okay, and then you have to use it. So if it's not work, then you have to check for the update. Just go at here, just search for the app. At here, just click on here, and from here you can click on the update button, and you can get the updated version and you can use it. So if this both method does not work, then you have to just reinstall it and it will work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.